Greeting to all. I am Kavitha, Assistant Professor, Department of Computer Application, Vishabar College, Tiruchi. Today we are going to discuss about the topic decision statement or conditional statement. Before going to condition statement, what is program? Program is nothing but a set of code or instruction. It is executed in the sequential order. Conditional statement which are executed based on condition. It decides the direction or workflow of the execution. There are four types of condition statements are available. First one is if statement. Second one is the if-else statement. Third one is nested if statement. Fourth one is switch case statement. First we will discuss on if statement. The if statement is the most simple decision making statement. This is the syntax for if statement. If the test condition followed by set of statement. The set of statement enclosed pair of curly brackets. If is nothing but it is a keyword. The test condition enclosed pair of parentheses. The test conditions should not terminate with semicolon. The test condition may be logical or relational operator. If the test condition is true, the if block will be executed. If the test condition is false, in the control go to the end of the program. Here, these are all the important points for if. The test condition always enclosed with pair of parentheses. The conditional statement should not terminate with semicolon. This is the example program for if statement so that you can clearly understand what is if. Hash include stdio.h. Hash include indicate predefined processor. Standard stdio.h means standard input output header file. Next, main function. Here the execution begin. Int a equal to 20. It's represent. A is a variable. A is an integer data type. A valued as 20. Next one is CLR SCR function. It is used for clear the screen. This is the, here it is the condition statement if A greater than 18. A valued as 20, so 20 greater than 18. If the condition is here true, so the cursor move to the if block, print the statement eligible of voting. Suppose if A valued as 5 means 5 greater than 18, it is false. So the controller skip the if block, move to the terminate point. Here get ch, it's represent. Next one is get ch. Get ch functions is an unformatted input function. The set of statement enclosed pair of curly bracket. Second one is if-else statement. If-else statements take care of true as well as false condition. It has two blocks. First one is if block and second one is else block. If the test condition is true, the if block will be executed. If the test condition is false, the else block will be executed. Here, two important conditions are there. First one is else statement cannot be used without if. Second one is no multiple else statements are allowed with one if statement. This is the syntax for if else statement. If test condition followed by set of statement. Next else followed by set of statement. If is a keyword, test condition is a logical or relational condition. If the condition is true, the compiler execute the if block statements. If the condition is false, the compiler skip the if block statement and move to the else block statements. This is the another example for if else statement. Here the execution start is a main function. Here the execution is start. Int a equal to 20. It's represent a is the variable. It is an integer data type. It's valued as 20. Next one is int b equal to 10. Here b is a variable. It data types is integer. It's valued as 10. Next one is CLR SCR function. It is mainly used for clear the screen. Here the condition statement if a greater than b. Both the values are compared here. If a valued as 20 and b value as 10, here the comparison is done. After comparison, the result is true. The if block statement will be executed. Print the statement a is the biggest number. Suppose if the a value as 5 means, here the comparison is done. 5 greater than 10 is false. So the compiler skip the if block, move to the else block automatically. So else block statement printf will be printed. B is the biggest number. Finally, the getCH function. getCH function is unformatted input function. Termination, program terminate the here. Finally, we conclude that if statement only executed for if the condition is true. If else statement is executed for condition is true as well as false.